And we're back to the second video for the second lesson for this week. Same instructions, like this video to recognize your participation or your attendance. Make sure that you have already tried answering the preliminary activities. Meron dapat sagot yan, the blue pen, remember? And then, of course, listen carefully and be attentive at all times. Follow-up questions could be given on the comment section below. There, so this is the second lesson, second topic. Still nature and characteristics. But for today, for this lesson, this time, we will just focus on research, quantitative research. Last video, we had inquiry versus research. Or how are those two words related? The other one is surface level, the start, the beginning. Yeah. And the other one is the continuation, the higher, the more critical one, the more tacit, the more complicated in a procedural way. You started with a you started with an inquiry, and then if you want to elaborate it, a study or an investigation will be executed. Right? So there. We know the difference between the two. For this lesson, you're going to understand the nature definition of research. I will just use research. And then you knowing the research will enable you to decide on the quantitative research or the kind of research that you or that are suitable for your interests. Of course, at the end of it, you are going to explain the nature and definition of research. So at the end of this, it targets you to define, not really define, but get the gist, describe, get the heart of the word research. Okay, so shall we start? Sida. Okay. First activity. So use your prior. When you say prior, you're known. Yung alam mo na. Okay, knowledge. And contextual clues. So we have clues. As you scroll down your module, you have your clues there, you have your hints there, so that you can fill in the blanks. Okay. Re blank. This is very easy. This is the subject title. Yeah, the subject title, and that is research. Walang kamatayang research. Search. Okay, I'll use blue. Hold on. Hey. Blue. Ay. How could I? Blue pen. There you go. Blue pen. And research. Next, from the prefix re, meaning to repeat, or another term for re. What do you mean by the prefix re or re? Mm-hmm. Starts with letter A. That is again. 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 Okay, again. Yun yung favorite nyo. Again and again. Paulit-ulit. Next. The French word. Okay, so research means it is from the word prefix re, and another word comes from a French word which is chercher, which means literally to seek. Ay, agal na. Seek. to find, to search, to seek. Other words. Okay, so another word for to seek. Ano yung hide and seek? Bakit tinawag na hide and seek? Kasi you are blank for something. Or looking for something. May hinahanap ka. Maghahanap ka ba kung nandyan na yung hinahanap mo? Diba? No. Literally to look, to find. Do we have other words? There. Okay. So we need to combine. So if we combine the word search, and we are breaking down the word search. What do you mean now? If we combine it, we have to find again, to search again, to study again. Okay, repeat seeking. Is the right word? Repeat seeking. Find something again. It's just the same. Oh, nakikita. Kita niyo ba? And either if you use here, to seek again, to find again. Yeah. So that will do. Repeat seeking. Next, we have that exercises last time, di ba? Find, studying again, review, re-seek. Alright. Next, a systematic, blank, or investigation. Another word for investigation, ay na naman, mabalik tayo sa ganun. Okay. Another word for research is study. So, yan. Kaya, pag nagsulat kayo sa research, hindi pwedeng paulit. This research would like to find out. This research would like to know. Ulit. This study could be used. The word study could be used. A study or an investigation. So, paano na lamang study? Kasi sa word na investigation, and then when you are trying to find answers for something, or when you want to know something, you are studying. Okay. Next. It signifies finding blank things from ideas and problems from a different perspective. Okay. Blank things. How do you find things? Or what are the things that we find? Ano yung hinahanap natin? Do we find things that are old? Do we find things that are already here? It will be new. Okay, saan nakuha yung new? New or new. We don't discover something that is already there. We don't find something that is already given, right? So of course, literally, yung bago hinahanap. Ayan na. This is just a word play, logical play. Again, do not go to this video if you haven't answered this. Next, it blanks man's various problems and makes life more colorful and convenient. What to do with the problems? What do we usually do with the problems? Do we make it still stay as a problem? What should be done with the problem? What should be done? It should be solved. Okay, solved. Answered. Answered, solved. That way. That two words could be used. Okay, best answer is solve for this. Now, these things pertain to research. It describes research. Um, it gives you the significance of the studying, research. And anyway, last video, it was already given significance, the importance of research. But this one, we just elaborated its definition. Again, it solved man's various problems. Okay, nabanggit na to last time, yung let's say, paggamot sa pandemic, paghanap ng gamot. What else? Of course, we don't find old things. We find new things, new ideas. It's always new. Okay, we don't downgrade an app. We don't downgrade ano ba? An update. It's always new. Kaya nga siya tinawag na update eh. Ano yung opposite ng update? That is outdated. Outdated. Okay? There is an update because there is a research. It's developed. Bago. Again, next, it's a systematic. Systematic. Step by step. There is a methodology. There is a process. It won't resort to shortcuts. Okay, like yung favorite yung gawin, shortcut. No, it's a systematized process. There is an order. Hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng background of the study kung wala kang title. You cannot have a conclusion if you don't have yet a questionnaire or SOP. Again, it's systematic. What else? Going back to its little definition, to find again, to dig deeper to something. There you go, to think again. Okay. Now, when you answer this, when you complete this becomes your what? Concept note number 2. Have I mentioned concept note number 1 in the other video? Okay, this is concept note number 2, ha? Ayan, you don't need to concept notes are written in subject journal. Okay, I'll discuss the instruction for the subject journal later on. Let's move on. Ito lang ha, sa concept note, hindi yung buong lesson or hindi yung buong module. Wag hinging dyan. Next. Alright, so after finding or digging deeper with the word research, of course, it's very essential for you to give some words, phrases that pertains to research. Ayan, ulit tayo dyan. Nabanggit na. Isang video and ito, kanina. Okay? What do you mean by gist? When we say gist, alam mo yung pagpiniga? Pag meron kang piniga, makukuha mo yung katas. Yan, literal yun. A comparison. Gist meaning a summary. The heart. The essence. What is the essence of being? Mga ganyan. Yeah, yun. Summary. Again, you could just write keywords, phrases, but not sentences. Okay? That is related to the word research. So again, this activity is worth 15 points. 15 points. Sige, type nga natin. Of course, accuracy. Again, accuracy. 15 points. Hindi. Accuracy lang lahat. 15 points. Accuracy lahat. Hindi. So this is, my video is simultaneous. What I say, is what I think. On the spot. So, wala din pinagkaiba sa live. Sige, isipin natin, accuracy na lang is 10 points. Siyempre kung gaano katama yung sinabi mo. Parang pag sinabi mo diyang beautiful, sa banda? Sa banda na magiting beautiful. Nika. Okay, kidding aside. Accuracy, as long as it's related, how it is, how it explains the word. Okay, accuracy is 10 points. And then, creativity and effort could be. Bakit ko nilagay ito? 5 points lang naman. You could still think of other way to present it. And, syempre dun yun sa ano. Kasi, yeah. It's either you are going to draw this on a separate paper and then take a picture of it and then paste it on the document, or have another shapes on the same file. So, pwede na naman kayo mag-drawing doon digitally. So, still your effort and creativity will be considered. Okay? Again, para may iba. Kasi baka naman pare-parehas din naman yung sagot mo. So, again ha, do not fool yourself. Make it your own work. Para kang si Picasso. Make your own work. Alright, that's it. Yun lang. Yun muna. Stop. We will continue for the next video. Just to cut this video shorter. How to escape.